station. I'm about to go to Brooklyn Bridge right now. It's nice outside, so might as well enjoy the weather. Oh yeah, we're going to the bridge. I want to go to the 9/11 memorial. I'm gonna see, but it's gonna be a walk from the bridge to from the memorial to the bridge. It's like 17 minutes walk. Like that's crazy. Plus I gotta walk the bridge. That's a lot of walking. But it's 4 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna see if I have the energy to do that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit. I don't know what they selling.
Ice cold water $1. Ice cold water $1. Ice cold water $1. Ice cold water $1.
Right? Hats. They selling stuff up here. Oh, they got a. Yeah, that's the bridge.
This is the bridge we were.
It's all $1 right here. This is $1. I never had one of these. This is $1, right? Oh wait, the Magus.
Hats is $5.
I don't want to have. How
What
can
is
I
this?
have? Ooh,
Everything.
out here.
Yeah, that'll help.
Well, damn. Excuse me. Shit. You never did it before? You never walked the bridge before? No? There it is. Okay.
This is the bike lane.
Oh, here you go. I'll take a top on the bridge. Now, get it, girl.
Types of
Word. New York City. bridges. Got their name on here. I don't remember if we wrote her name on here last time we came here. I got my sister. I don't think we did. You ready? Yep.
That's what I'm missing.
What? Oh. Alright, I'm good. The bridge for me. People staring at me because I'm vlogging. Like, mind your business. Mind your business. Why you all on my phone? Smell the water. Smell like fish. You be going fishing?
Right. It's like, fishing is peaceful.
Yes.
I never went fishing before. I don't know how.
It is.
I never went fishing before. Is it that way?
This way?
I need to go where I can see the bridge. The other one. That's blocking it. I'm not really sure we went. It's that. I smell some type of beef. Like, was that thing called? Was that Indian thing called on this big pork thing? Or beef, whatever it is. Fish kebab.
Like grill.
Yeah, I smell it. That's smell right now.
Yeah, these spots right here, they cook out. That's why you smell it.
Oh.
It's the cookout. That's how I know, yeah, we going the right way.
5. Again, which one is it? Oh, there you go. Oh, snap, boats are on here. Picnic area. Flavors for New York. So we're going that way? Which way? Oh, okay. We're on the street, yeah.